This is Chicago's very own WGN Evening News at 4.
Outreach on the west side today to protect people against the #1 cause of drug overdose deaths in the U.S.
WGN Sean Lewis has details on this latest effort.
Well, good evening. 2 teams on the west side today handing out test strips, trying to prevent drug overdoses and giving other support to those who need it.
Use this as your scooper.
On the west side,
Close it, shake it.
outreach.
Put it down, you pull it out.
On this day, 2 teams are out in the cold to prevent drug overdoses and deaths.
We need to have a street presence to make sure that people who are walking by or people who are in areas where their drugs are being sold and used have access to this life-saving information and equipment.
Form of the substance that you're testing.
Today, the task force of roughly 30 part-time workers, many of them in recovery themselves, are getting their first look at this new testing kit. The company says it is the first of its kind self-contained way to detect fentanyl.
Especially people who are thinking they're taking some other drug, especially if it's in a pill form. They don't know that fentanyl's in there, and a small dose can cause respiratory arrest and death in a matter of minutes.
Since 2019, the task force has worked several outreach locations, an effort they say is paying off.
We're seeing more people being trained and know how to use Narcan to reverse overdose.
Here are the numbers from the Cook County Medical Examiner showing that overdose deaths in Chicago fell nearly 41% from 2022 to 2024, from about 1,400 to just under 830. About 87% of those involved fentanyl.
Make sure you together, all right?
The outreach, Narcan, and test strips are funded by the state.
I think that it's important that we do everything we can, especially with the current administration saying that you can no longer talk about harm reduction in the fight to save lives. And so this is a harm reduction tool that we're using to prevent fatal overdoses.
It is prevention this group says is working in an area hard hit by the fentanyl epidemic.
We're getting more people into treatment and we're getting more people into shelters, so it feels good to see that, something that's working in the community.
The task force members are out nearly every day on the west side. We have a full list of the upcoming month of where they will be and the times they will be at WGNTV.com. That's the latest here on the city's west side tonight. Sean Lewis, WGN News.